Lesson 24. Writing Stories. Stories. 1. Two friends and a bear. Once there lived two friends in a village. They were very poor. Once they set out on a long journey. Their way lay through a forest. They were afraid of the wild animals. They promised to help each other in danger. Suddenly they saw a bear coming towards them. They did not know what to do. One of them knew how to climb up a tree. He at once climbed up a tree to save himself. The other did not know how to climb up a tree. He lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead. The bear came up to the man lying on the ground. It sniffed at him and thought him to be dead. The bear left him there and went away. When the bear was gone, the other man came down the tree. He asked his friend what was it that the bear has whispered into his ear. He replied, "It advised me never to trust a false friend." Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed. 2. The Cat and the Mice. Once there lived some mice in a house. A cat also lived there. The mice were very much afraid of the cat, for it killed many of them. They did not know what to do. At last they held a meeting. All the mice were present, but they could not find any way to get rid of the cat. One mouse said that they should leave the house. Another said they could not come out of their holes. At last a young mouse stood up. He said, "Let us tie a bell round the cat's neck. We shall run away when we hear the bell." An old mouse stood up and said, "The plan is very nice, but who will tie the bell on the cat's neck?" There was no answer to this question. Suddenly the cat appeared there. All the mice ran into their holes. Moral: who will bell the cat? 3. King Bruce and the Spider. Robert Bruce was the king of Scotland. He was defeated in the battle. He was highly disappointed. He ran away from the battlefield and hid himself in a cave. He thought he should give up. Just then he saw a spider. It was trying to reach its web, but it slipped again and again. The king thought it would give up, but he was surprised when he saw it tried once again. This time it succeeded in reaching its web. King Bruce was deeply moved. He decided to make an effort once again. This time he succeeded in defeating the English. Moral: try again. Stories from Outlines. 1. The Lion and the Mouse. Once a lion lived in a forest. One hot summer day he lay asleep under a tree. By chance a little mouse came there. It climbed up the sleeping lion's back and began to jump. The lion felt disturbed and woke up. He caught the naughty mouse in his paws. He was about to kill it when the mouse begged for mercy. The lion took pity on the tiny creature and let it go. After a few weeks, the same lion was caught in a net of a hunter. He tried hard but could not free himself. He roared loudly with pain. The little mouse heard his roars and came there. It saw that the life of its friend was in danger. It began to gnaw the ropes of the net. Soon the lion was free. He thanked the mouse for its timely help and went away. Moral: do good, find good. 2. The Vain Stag. Once there lived a stag in a forest. One day he felt thirsty. He went to a stream to quench his thirst. By chance he saw his reflection in the clear water. He was very happy to see his shining horns. Just then he saw his thin legs. He cursed God for giving him such an ugly and thin legs. Suddenly, the stag heard the barking of hounds. He saw them appear from the far end of the forest. The stag ran fast to reach a place of safety. He was nearly safe Suddenly his horns got caught in a thorny bush. He tried hard to get them free, all in vain. Soon the hounds arrived there and tore the stag to pieces. His beautiful horns became the cause of his death. Moral: all that glitters is not gold. Like, share, and subscribe.